Good morning, everybody. Sun's about to come up that way behind me. If I could focus, that's Havasu. And like I said, the sun's about to come up. I don't know what time it is. It's going on 6. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous morning. Decided today to enjoy the day and go for a hike. As you can tell, pan around here, I am pretty much in the desert. Alright, pan around here. Let's see if I can get this. Sorry guys. Alright, over there in the middle of the screen there is the airport to Lake Havasu. So you might see some traffic. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up. But yeah, there's the highway going into Lake Havasu. And my goal today is head that way. Where you see these the Rocky Mountain hills slope down over here, meets the water of Lake Havasu as it channels north toward Topak. There's a large amount of sand, like an open sand desert over that way. I gotta cross. I'm trying to go straight across that way as much as possible to make the shortest distance. A lot of washes, a lot of little ravines like this. I just had to climb like a goat here. So it's gonna be a lot of ups and downs, but I left early enough to get across here before the sun is up and it starts to get too hot. I got plenty of water. I do have a hat, and I put on plenty of sunscreen. I just thought, might as well start walking. So I just thought I'm going to be leaving and moving out of here in a few weeks. And who knows if I'll ever make it out here again, and let alone if I'm ever in the area where I can enjoy going on a hike and enjoying the hills here. I've lived here a few years now, and I've been able to go on a few hikes, but not nearly as many as I wanted to. Funny how that is when you have a family and a job and you're the only one that really wants to go on a hike, and if you ever go on a hike without anyone, they get a little butthurt. But anyway, sounds of some weird birds, I think. Alright, see if I could do this without slipping and falling my ass. Alright. Now, I know what some of you may be saying. What the hell are you doing? Why aren't you just stay on a trail? Well, there's really no direct trail to where I'm wanting to go, so I'm just making my own path. And keeping my wits about me, and where there's cacti and thorny plants, I took my allergy pills. There's a lot of pollen in the air. I was a big fan of the show Survivor, or Lone Survivor, or Not the television show where like 12 people go on an island and they survive. No. Well, I did watch those, but I'm talking about the guy just out there. He films his entire like 7 days or something. He has to survive on his own, and he's literally on his own with GoPro cameras. And then you got Dual Survivor, where you got two guys doing the same thing, but they got a camera crew. So they're not really alone, they gotta survive. Show you how to survive. I even enjoyed those shows, learning a lot. I've never gone out and attempted to eat dead rat, mouse, rabbit, any of that stuff, or scorpions. Nope. I got plenty of water and a power bar. Yeah, I do got the little survivor kits, the first aid, stuff like that, a compass. But I know where I'm at. I know I can see the town is in view. I may be, it might be like 7 miles or so from where I parked my car, but I'm not trying to do that whole survivor thing. I'm just going out and enjoying Mother Nature. Yep. Gotta try to enjoy life while you can. It's too short, as they say. 40 years old, and I haven't done nearly as much as I thought I would, and I wanted to. But that's something everyone will say. Well, most of everybody, because most everybody doesn't work as hard to do what they want. I got friends that went to school, got lots of education, own their businesses, but when I asked them, when was the last time you went on a camping trip? When was the last time you enjoyed the outdoors? When was your last vacation? You know, gotta ask yourself that. You may have plenty of dollars in the bank, but like they say, you can't take it with you when you go. So, you know, I'd rather die in debt, you know, and gone on trips and vacations and enjoyed life. It's a dog. A hound dog. Or a basset hound. Sounds like it. You're a long ways away from the south. First thought it was a burro. There's a lot of them out here too. What the hell? Oh, it's a bird. I don't know what kind of bird that is, but it's like flying about 2 feet off the ground. Anyway, so all right, avoid those stickers. All right, I'm going to continue on, heading that way, and I'll make another little video when I get to the rocks in the water. I didn't bring my swimsuit. I should have, but my bag is not really that big. It's one of those hydration bags. I got some binoculars and first aid kit, and just a little things. So not a real big bag to have like a towel and swimsuit with me. Alright, everybody. I'm gonna let you go. Talk with you in a little while.